Hi, if you want to adjust flashlight brightness on the iPhone 16, then you would need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control sensor, and here in the control panel you would see the flashlight icon. So you can just tap it and it will be enabled. To change its brightness, to adjust its settings, you just need to swipe up to add brightness or swipe down to reduce brightness. Just drag the slider up or down like that to adjust the brightness of the flashlight. Also, this animation you can find in the dynamic island here. So if your flashlight is enabled and you just exit those control panel mode, you can always tap the dynamic island, and here just tap it again to disable flashlight. And that's it, how it works. Also, you can add your flashlight icon to the lock screen. For that, you just need to go in the customize mode. But firstly, you would need to enter your phone's PIN code. So let's go in the customize one, select the lock screen, and here, instead of voice memos, we will need to select the flashlight. And now you just need to tap it like that, and it will be enabled. So that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.